Hello YouTube, this is Model Aviation Videos here with my first unboxing video of the Herpa 1500th model planes. The first plane we have here is a Lufthansa Airbus A321-100. I got this plane for about $24 on eBay, and let's get to the unboxing. First, here we have the 1/500 scale Lufthansa Airbus A321-100. On the box it shows you the actual wingspan, length and height of the actual plane, and a bunch of other information like that. So here you go. And here it is, the Lufthansa A321. Herpa has a lot of detail on their planes, which is really good. This is actually one of the most detailed planes I have. It has all the lights, which actually don't turn on or anything like that, they're just paint. The landing gear, sorry about the focus right here. And it has the Star Alliance logo, Lufthansa logo here on the back too. Lufthansa.com with the German flag. Some pros about this model itself is, again, the detail. If you look at the engines, it has really nice detail. But on the back, what do you see about those back wings there? Yeah, they're angled really high, which takes away from this model. Also on this one, if you see the winglets there, they're rounded when they shouldn't be. So those are some downfalls to this model. Some more good things are the amount of actual things they put into this one. If you look closely, you can see some windows they have closed, and on the bottom it says Herpa. And that's pretty much it for my first unboxing video of the Herpa 1500 scale. Comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel to find more videos of unboxings and reviews. This is my first video again. My next video will be of a British Airways 777-200, and it should be good. So thanks for watching. Bye.